Well, after some cloudy days, the sun definitely was back today.
Definitely back today. You could tell it in the afternoon temperatures. It was a little warmer, but still not too bad. 87 degrees. Heck, we spent so many days at 100 over the summer. This felt pretty good. Skies are partly cloudy to mostly sunny out there. We're still at 86. By 8 p.m. tonight, it'll be after dark, and we'll drop into the low 80s, and by 10 p.m., all the way down into the mid-70s. Current temperatures out in our hill country area in the low 80s. Some places did not get quite as warm out in the hill country as we did in the metro area. The ground is a little wetter out here is one of the reasons for that. 81 degrees in Fredericksburg right now, 81 degrees in Mason, 83 degrees in Burnett, Marble Falls, down into Johnson City. In the metro area, 84 down in San Marcos right now, and the same across Williamson County and eastern Travis County, including the Manor area there. Same in Elgin, same in Bastrop and Lexington, 85 in Smithville, 86 in LaGrange. Austin's partly cloudy and 86 degrees, and at the airport it is also 86, and skies are also partly cloudy there. Winds pretty light, variable at 5 miles per hour in town at ABIA, and east-southeast breeze at 6 miles per hour. Sunset tonight is at 7:03. Mold count 2,000 plus today. I was afraid it would be higher today, and it is likely to stay high this week. We have all this leftover ground moisture from the weekend rain, and so the mold spores tend to multiply in this type of situation. Fall elm at 121 is a medium, and ragweed at 22 is low. Around the state, 70s and 80s, just about everywhere. Dallas at 83, same in Waco, 86 over in Houston. It is not bad. Some moisture down in South Texas coming off a hurricane that's about to hit the Mexico coast. We're going to show you that in just a minute, but unfortunately, that's about as far north as that moisture is going to come. We could use some of it. Now, you'll see a little area disturbance out here in West Texas, some clouds, a little bit of precipitation. That's actually a weak front that's going to be moving into our area tomorrow and could actually bring us a rain shower, but this is not enough to get excited about. That front will be approaching in the afternoon. Ahead of it, we'll get a dry southwesterly wind that could actually take us up to 90 degrees tomorrow. But then the front will move on through the area. Some showers, maybe even a few thunderstorms breaking out tomorrow. About a 20% chance. We're not sure it's going to happen this far south. It's going to be kind of a moisture-starved system in our area, but our computer model is depicting a few rain showers and thunderstorms in the metro area, and then they move out of here real quickly tomorrow evening as we get a dry northerly flow, and that too will push that moisture off that Mexican hurricane right on out of here. Speaking of that hurricane, it was a Category 3 earlier in the day, but has weakened out 100-mile-per-hour winds, which makes it a Category 2, and it is on the verge of reaching the coast. It's only about 85 miles off the coast right now, northwest of Manzanillo. It's going to come in south of Puerto Vallarta, but some really heavy rain in the mountainous areas could result in some very dangerous, maybe life-threatening flash floods and mudslides in that area. And then once it moves inland again, that moisture stays too far to the south of us to do any good. So we tonight back here at home will be looking at overnight low temperatures falling back into the 60s in most areas. Still very pleasant evenings and early mornings, common this time of year, and that will be the trend over the next several days, especially after this front comes through tomorrow. We'll have even nicer mornings through the end of the week. And then tomorrow afternoon, again with that southwest wind, we could see temperatures approach 90 degrees again in the area. Tonight, overnight, we'll see some low cloudiness returning, 67 in the morning. South winds blow tonight at about 5 to 10. Tomorrow afternoon high of about 90 and a south-southwest wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. But then as the afternoon progresses, a shower or a thunderstorm could develop in the area if we are lucky. Now, in the 7-day forecast, we kind of bookend the chances of rain here. Tomorrow and then none again until a week from today as a stronger front comes in next week. But notice the weather between now and then. You certainly can't complain about the mornings. We'll see readings in the 50s to low 60s, and then the afternoon high temperatures. This isn't a very strong cold front tomorrow. We're still in the mid to upper 80s and maybe close to 90 again over the weekend.